requires a certain number of, a certain registration process and a certain number of procedures. So I would encourage you guys to be there with, stay back with our media team, with Aniket and all his team. We're trying to make your life easy as much as possible, trust me. It's not, there have been some concessions to India that have not been there before. But just ensure that the process is the same for everybody, and the process is the same for every single World Cup. So if you're finding it complicated, we're here to try to help, and we're here to try to assist you guys to ensure that all the suitable and deserving media houses and journalists are able to cover the games. So please put a good deal of attention to what they say after, and if you're finding any complications, they will be able to. The draw was very nice to go on, I would say. Imagine having Brazil in Goa playing a football World Cup match, not playing a friendly tournament, not playing another invitational event or anything like that. Brazil playing a football World Cup match in Goa. How many Goans can say that they have had the experience of watching Brazil playing a football World Cup match? Add to that, how many Goans would be able to say and to tell their grandkids and to tell their kids that they have had the experience of watching Brazil playing a football World Cup match in Goa? That is something that it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, 100%. We have Germany here as well, among the attractive teams. How many? It's the same question. How many Goans would be able to say that they have been able to watch Germany playing a football World Cup in their city and in their state? So that is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and we hope that Goans realize that. We know that Goans are die-hard football fans and football lovers, and I'm sure that when they start looking at the teams and the players that are going to be here, when they start looking at the possibility of, you know what, watching Vinicius Jr., which is the new Neymar, which is already being bought by Real Madrid on $60 million, playing for something, playing for a World Cup, playing for its national team on an official event, the largest event of its category, then I'm sure that Goans will come out in masses and be here to watch the event. This is a huge treat. This is a huge treat for the real football fans here.
Thank you, Javier. I wouldn't take much of your time, guys.
It's not a mystery. We've been vocal about it. The ticket sales have not gone as we would want it in Goa. We don't think that this is because of lack of passion of the Goan fans. There is something that when the international football is coming to the state, it may not bring as much of passion, I would say, maybe of the Goan crowd. Also, we have understood that different venues have different purchasing patterns for tickets. That the penetration of online payment gateways may be different. So closer to the tournament, we will be installing a ticket sales system, a physical ticket sales system here right next to Fatorda, so that fans that have been messaging us saying that, you know what, I don't have a card or I cannot do a payment through an online payment gateway, would be able to have the opportunity, nonetheless, to still come to the World Cup and buy their tickets. That is very important. We don't think that this is due to lack of promotion or anything. Everybody in Goa knows that the World Cup is happening. The state government changed the holiday, the exam dates of the schools and the colleges because of the World Cup. So it is a known fact. I would encourage whoever has the opportunity to go online and purchase the tickets online to do it, because then what will happen is they will be sure that they will be able to come and watch.